Why do 75% of health enthusiasts choose eco-friendly practices? Let's find out. It's time to go green with your health routine. First up, swap single-use plastics for reusable bottles and containers. Not only do they look cooler, but they also keep harmful plastics out of our oceans. Next, try organic local produce. It's fresher, packed with nutrients, and supports your local farmers. Plus, fewer food miles mean a smaller carbon footprint. How about your workout gear? Opt for sustainable brands that use recycled materials. You'll feel good knowing your leggings didn't cost the earth. And don't forget your skincare. Choose eco-friendly, cruelty-free products. Your skin and our furry friends will thank you. Lastly, embrace the outdoors. Walking, hiking, and cycling are not only great for your body but also reduce emissions compared to gym machines. So, are you ready to make your wellness journey a green one? Let's get healthy and save the planet together. Hit that like button if you're in,